On today's body cam, we're checking out speeding girl almost escapes from police after quick pursuit.
On January 1st, 2026, an officer with the Ankeny Police Department was running radar in an area notorious for speeding when a vehicle suddenly blasted past his patrol car at 91 miles per hour. The officer immediately activated his emergency lights and siren and initiated a pursuit of the speeding driver.
That car? Oh. That was the car that pulled over to the side. Oh, they tried to get off, huh? I don't even see the car. They must be moving for real, for real. They try to pull a fast one?
622. You can have the channel back. I lost the vehicle. It was northbound towards Home Depot. It was a white four-door sedan.
Ooh, lost the vehicle.
622. Show me out with.
Oh, you found it?
Go ahead and roll a second.
She must have been moving.
No. Was that very smart?
No.
Okay, hop out the vehicle.
Young and dumb. She looked young.
Away from me. Put your hands behind your back.
Snow Bunny thought she was NASCAR racer, huh? Come on, man.
That was just going to be a traffic ticket, okay?
I just panicked, I'm sorry.
You just panicked. You just took off from a police car in a marked car with its lights and sirens on. That's called eluding. Walk back here to my car. 622, female in custody. Okay. You got anything on you that's going to poke or stick me?
No.
Okay. Right now you're under arrest for eluding, all right?
Turned the traffic ticket into going to jail.
Anything in your waistband up here?
No, you can tell it.
No pockets?
No.
Okay, have a seat back here.
Came out in pajamas? Okay.
Back seat. You got an ID in your car?
Yeah.
Okay, where's it at?
In my wallet, in the white wallet.
And in your wallet where?
The white wallet. I have two.
Okay. You have two wallets or two IDs?
Wallets.
Okay. You see a wallet up there? The white wallet's got her ID in it.
White pouch in the left in the door right here, and there's your cell phone, but there's a purse. I don't see any. What'd you say the pouch?
It says a white wallet.
Is it a? Ask her if it's like a Hello Kitty thing.
Is it the Hello Kitty thing, or is it in the?
No, it's a Coach wallet.
Like inside of your purse?
Inside my purse.
Okay.
Yes.
$10.95.
Roger.
It's in the purse.
Oh, we get to grab it?
Yeah. I need an identifier.
Oh.
Put that back in there. Yep. Had her at 91 on the interstate. She went from the 91. She went from the inside lane all the way across to Orley, blew through the stoplight, took the second lane. She asked for a switch. Yeah, that'd be all right.
All right, brother. I'll put it up.
Thank you, guys. Wilson's here, so you guys can both take off. Does your car have insurance?
Yes.
Okay, is that in the car?
It should be, yeah.
Where would that be at?
Probably in the dashboard. Like the glove box.
Okay. So I'm going to read you your rights, okay, because you're not free to leave right now, all right? So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you for any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights that I've explained to you?
Yes.
Having these rights in mind, you wish to talk with me?
I mean, I don't have anything.
What's that?
I mean, yeah.
Okay. What's going on today?
I mean, I honestly, I've been pulled over one time in my life, and so I was honestly just scared because I knew I was speeding, and I just wasn't thinking. And I didn't see your lights at first. I saw you were still sitting there, so I thought like I would just go before you like actually pulled out on me.
Okay.
And
But then you saw my lights?
Damn. You have the right to remain silent. He didn't put the lights on yet. He's still sitting there. And you gotta zip it, man. Zip it. You are cooked. You're cooked. If you decide to get a lawyer, traffic lawyer, whatever, if you decide to get a lawyer, there's nothing he can do. You're fried. Luckily nowadays, most of these judges are, pretty lenient, but even earlier he said, oh, this was just going to be a ticket. A lot of cops always say these things, they say the lesser of the two once it already has escalated. So in this case, he said, oh, this was just going to be a ticket. But once you start reaching 90 miles, 100 miles plus, that's arrest range. You know what I'm saying? Cops can definitely start arresting you, because you doing too much. You reckless. It's not like let's say it's 65 miles an hour and you got caught doing 80. Okay, yeah, that's a ticket, But once you start getting into them 90s and them hundreds, they could definitely arrest you, man.
I don't want to say I saw your lights, but I saw you pull out. Like,
Okay.
I saw you pull out, but I didn't.
Oh.
So, because I was behind you as we both exited onto the ramp, you
I
didn't see
didn't
that
know.
on my lights on?
No, I didn't see that.
Okay,
I
so
was focused on going forward.
so you were going, I had you at 91. You saw me pull out and you thought that I was going to come after you, so you took the ramp. That's when you continued onto Or Labor.
You have the right to remain silent.
That was stupid.
Okay.
Oh,
All right. Your insurance is in the glove box? Okay. We're going to check that
You're
real quick.
cooked.
Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay.
and your insurance going up too.
I have a female officer here that's just going to do a quick search, okay? If you want to step out for me.
Hi.
You just face the car there.
You got anything on you that's gonna poke, stick, or stab me? No. Anything illegal on you?
This is only my second time getting pulled over.
You don't keep anything in your body.
You going to jail on your second time
Thank you.
doing something stupid.
Yeah, keep anything in your shoes. You can go ahead and pop the seatbelt in there. They're turned out.
Thank you.
Yep.
Yep. I didn't know that she necessarily was running at first. I thought maybe she was just trying to dip me and get into a parking lot, but then when I got off, that's when I called her off, because she blew through the light there at Or Labor in the off ramp. So I'm trying to catch up to her, and she gets to Delaware, and she just takes a wide turn through there, and then I can see her turn into
Frontage road.
yeah, onto by Burger King. And then I could see continue northbound, and then I lost it about Taco John or Tasty Tacos, and I wasn't gonna go flying through here trying to find it. And then as I terminated, I got to here, and I saw her pulling in that parking stall. I'm like, matches the descriptions on the camera, or that I saw. Huh?
Wanted?
No, she just was going 91. And
You sit on the camera. I was thinking.
well,
Where's she going?
I didn't ask. Outside her at 93.
Heading back to Altoona. Is she going south?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just gonna check your insurance quick.
What do you want to do?
I have told her she's under arrest for eluding.
Okay.
I mean, it was obvious to me that she was trying to get away from me.
Yeah.
She said she never saw my lights, but she saw me pull out.
Saw you pull out, and then
She knew she was
but
speeding.
I was listening. And said, you know, you were both behind on the, or took the exit ramp, and got her blowing through the lights. So,
Yeah. And there's no way she can. I have a hard time believing she couldn't see me when we got off because when she blew through the light and I was within eye distance of her, I immediately had all my lights on because I knew I was gonna have to haul ass to catch up with her at 91
Yeah, this is an open shut case, man.
but reckless.
as well.
Yeah.
I mean, she's
It's reckless.
Leading to 93. I don't have any speeds necessarily as far as for after I got her. She obviously speeding. I don't know how fast she was going on or Labor or Delaware.
Yeah, but 30 miles an hour over 20.
33. Well, no. 30. Yeah.
65, 90. I can't do that right now.
28.
28 miles an hour over. It's up to you.
Told you. I told you. If it's 65 miles an hour, you know, it's like, all right, if you're going 80, okay. But when you start getting into them 90s and 100s, you can definitely go to jail, man. Because it's reckless.
I just don't know what eluding it would be for speed, though. Because 25 over would be a felony, I think. I got it. This one recorded on LiDAR cam 93. So, just gonna check your insurance and lock your car. I don't see it.
Huh?
I didn't see insurance in there. I didn't see the insurance in there. It'd be somewhere else.
I don't think so. It's from, because my car it's a rental from Honda, so I have full coverage. I've just never gotten pulled over, so I've never thought to.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Do you want your phone to go with you?
Yes, please.
Okay, and then your purse? You want me to bring that too?
Yeah.
Okay. And then is the key like a wireless key fob or?
Yeah, you took it out of my pocket. It
Okay.
should be on the hood.
Okay.
Is there any way I can put these in the front?
I can't move them to the front. We're just going to go a couple miles and then
Okay.
we move to the front. But I am going to just lock your car and bring the keys with us so nobody gets into it, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Pretty chill.
Yeah, I'm just going to lock it, turn it off, and grab a purse. So I can do what? Is it down? Oh, shoot. Yeah, I didn't realize it was down. How much money is here?
I wouldn't. You can count it if you want.
That's why I have to count it because that way it doesn't get lost. But I just wanted to see if you knew.
It's probably about 100. It's from work on the server.
Okay, I just saw a bunch of 20s, so I didn't know if it was all 20s, but it doesn't look like it is. All right. Didn't know how much was here. I thought it was just a giant stack of 20s, so you have to reserve. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 150, 55, 60, 165, 70, 175, 80, 185, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 191. I'm gonna put this back in your purse. It was 191, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Anything else?
Nope, not yet now.
She was then transported to the Polk County Jail where she was booked and charged with eluding and speeding more than 20 miles per hour over the speed limit. If you enjoy the content,
Subscribe, let the 808 slide.